Good morning everyone. We are currently at the Quebec airport. Full day of airport today. It is super early guys. I woke up at 3 in the morning. We do have a plane coming pretty soon. We're going to Toronto. After that we're going stop for a little bit. We're going after that in Vancouver. After that we're doing another stop. And we're going to Vancouver. Should be an interesting day.
Nous invitons maintenant les passagers du vol Air Canada Rouge 1951 à destination de Toronto qui voyagent avec les enfants de nombre suivant.
Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival and cross-check.
We are in we are in Toronto on the way to Vancouver. Second flight. A little bit of time here. Super busy airport, so I find it a little bit of quiet. I don't like vlogging too much in the airport. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the second one and go. So arrived in Vancouver. We had 1 hour delay, but we just arrived half an hour kind of in delay. But now I have more than 1 hour delay for my next flight. I just want to go home. I see my van. Chauffeur, I would like to go to Kerry's place.
On our way, ma'am, on our way.
Thank you.
They got geese.
The white ones. You can park beside the red one.
Maybe they're maybe people drop their geese off when they go, when they go away.
Happy to be back home? Oh, little kisses. She know that. Alright guys, I'm surprised that my van doesn't smell bad. I mean, I clean everything, but you know, still it's always good. And things seems to all work. Okay, I'm gonna start the heater. Seems to all work. Yay! So I'm gonna do a cleanup. You know what? I'm not gonna even bother with the cleanup. I'm just gonna put everything on the side. Kitty and I is gonna snuggle. I'm gonna fall asleep because I am super tired, guys. It's not even 7 o'clock, but with today that I woke up middle of the night, I'm tired. I just wanna spend a little bit of time with Kitty and snuggle, and I'm so spot. I thought that she would be mad at me and kind of like give me some attitude, but no, she was just like, love me, I love you. She was playing outside when I picked her up, so you know, it was not a hard life. She was chasing the birds outside their little place for herself, and they said they really like her over there, which I know everyone like you. I'm a big Alright, we're gonna snuggle and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. You wanna give a kiss? Good night. I was cleaning my my bag and look, who's not taking chance. She's like, I'm gonna make sure to be inside that bag because I don't want my mom to leave me again. Aww, you funny. I won't leave you again. I promise, baby. You're so funny. Well, good morning everyone. I was just cleaning a little bit all my stuff because yesterday I didn't clean anything. It's packed all over the place. Kelly's been sniffing and going all over my stuff. She's like, what are you doing, Mom? Are you leaving? Last night, sorry about the heater, by the way, you're pretty close to it. Last night I was just like putting a garbage bag on my door, and like she was meowing every time I was just going too close to the door. She was just like grabbing me. I'm not going anywhere. And she kind of stopped like coming to see me, but she was like all over the place. I think she was like just full of emotion and didn't know what to do with her. So I ended up falling asleep, and she obviously slept with me all night and purr, and like she went under the blanket. She was happy. But right now, because I'm moving things, like she's just like, oh, what are you doing, Mom? I'm a little bit unsure. I don't go anywhere, I promise, baby. Done a grocery because we out of food, and you're such a snuggler. You got all the food, you. So yeah, my fridge was obviously empty. I emptied it when I left, and I bought a ton of veggies because my parents are not the one. I mean, they eat a little bit of veggies, but definitely not as much as I usually do. So in the past 2 weeks, yeah, I didn't eat as much veggie as I would like. So I bought a ton of fruit, veggies, and I think I'm gonna really like repack on vitamin because yeah, I really want it. So orange, and I didn't buy that much veggies, but I know myself I'm just gonna go back to the grocery tomorrow, so just enough so we can have a couple of things today. That's it, kitty. So yeah, I just restarted the fridge. I restarted the freezer. Freezer is gonna obviously kind of take a couple, maybe it doesn't take that much time, like maybe 2 or 3 hours for max to be fully fine. I just clean it. I didn't clean up obviously before I left, but we clean everything, so that's good. One thing that I also have to unpack, it's my mom who packed this so well. This is a treasure, guys. This is the most important part. The maple syrup. So maple syrup that my father made, canned everything. So I got a couple, obviously. That was not from this year, that was from last year, because maple syrup time, it's probably gonna be early this year based on the weather, but March, April, that's the maple syrup time. Do you want to go for a walk? She's been outside over there, so well, I feel like we could go do a little walk. What do you think? She's just purring. I hear you. I hear you. Love you. Probably took 1 hour, and my fridge and freezer at the right temperature. Seriously, not even 1 hour. I'm not even at the park with Kenny. I had to do a 2-stop, one in the bank, and one just grab a little something, and it's just like, oh, my fridge it's fine. It's on the right temperature. Pretty fast. You want to go for a walk with me? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Good girl. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. We are back home. Feels good. I'm gonna relax, snuggle again with Kitty all the rest of the day. And yeah, just settle down here. I think it's gonna be great. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy. And I don't know what we're gonna do for the next couple of weeks, but I'm sure we're gonna. The weather is pretty nice, so I'm sure we're gonna find something cool. I'm obviously gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. You wanna give us a kiss, Kitty? You're a little bit busy, yeah? Like, no, I'm busy. Okay. You gave us one yesterday, so. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.